Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring your current mobile data use across a billing cycle to set a baseline. Open your carrier app or phone settings to view the exact 30-day data total in gigabytes. Note apps that use the most data and record the top 3 apps with amounts in MB or GB. Record the 30-day total in GB and set a baseline number. Identify the top 3 apps consuming the most data in MB or GB. Enable the phone data meter and sync it with your carrier app for accuracy. Adjust phone settings to block background data and control per-app cellular access immediately. Enable data saver mode to prevent background syncing when apps are not actively used. Reduce streaming quality to 480p or lower in each media app to cut data by about 50%. Turn off Wi-Fi assist and automatic updates over cellular to avoid surprise usage spikes. Enable data saver mode to stop background syncing. Set streaming quality to 480p to reduce data use by about 50%. Disable Wi-Fi assist and automatic cellular updates to prevent spikes. Adopt practical habits like downloading podcasts and maps over Wi-Fi before leaving home. Disable autoplay for social media and limit background refresh to save several hundred megabytes weekly. Use a data compression browser or VPN that reduces image size and text transfer by roughly 25%. Set a data limit on your phone to stop cellular after 5 GB. Download podcasts and maps over Wi-Fi before leaving home. Disable social autoplay and background refresh to save several hundred MB weekly. Use compression browsers or VPNs that reduce data transfer by roughly 25%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.